this one tool almost 5x my productivity. So the name of the tool is Whisperflow. When I learned about Whisperflow, I thought it may be yet another text to speech AI converter, but I was completely wrong. When I started using it, I was completely blown away with all the features and it provided. And here is my stats of using Whisperflow. I am using it for almost 1 month and I have typed almost 22,000 words with Whisperflow, using it across 25 different applications. And my average word per minute is 165, which is beyond expectation. If I would have normally typed using keyboard, I would have not exceeded maybe 40 to 50 words per minute. So with Whisperflow, I am able to like type with 165 words per minute. This is the home page of Whisperflow. Here is a feature called as dictionary. So in this dictionary, Whisperflow automatically learns about new words or whatever names we tell inside, whatever names we keep on pronunciation inside Whisperflow. So it adds personal terms, company jargons, client name, industry specific lingo, and this dictionary will be automatically updated based on all the conversations which you do inside Whisperflow. Also add some new words inside this dictionary. Another thing which is most powerful is called as snippets. In these snippets, when you tell this one word, based on this one word, it will automatically type this complete sentence. So you can add new snippets from here, and when you tell that particular word, it will automatically expand it to a complete sentence, which saves a lot of time to me. Then another functionality called as style. In this style, you can add different styles based on different applications. For example, inside this all these chat applications, they have options for formal, casual, very casual. You can select what style do you want inside all these chat applications. Then there is something called as work message. So you can use this inside your all your Slack conversation, Discord, Teams. You can have whatever style you need inside these work messages. Then inside the email, then inside any other applications. So you can have different formats inside all these applications. So this looks like a very simple app, but when you start using it, you will be completely blown away with all the features it provides. So it work across all the application, and one of the most powerful feature inside this is using it inside the cursor. When you use inside cursor, it will automatically start tagging all the files and the system variable inside the cursor. You might be thinking ChatGPT already has a speech to text converter, but when you start using Whisperflow, you will be noticing a lot of differences between the text to speech converter of ChatGPT and this Whisperflow. Whisperflow gives a very formatted, very well text, and even if you have a certain cough or sneezing during speaking, it will easily recognize all this text very easily. Even if you speak in a very low voice, it will automatically converting that to a text very easily. Please just try this tool Whisperflow, and I am sure you will be definitely loving this tool